Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Livin It. I'm Jared. Today I'm at the Hard Rock Hotel in Cancun, Mexico, and I'm going to take you on a little tour of this place. I'm a travel agent. I love to travel. I love to take tours of hotels, check them out. If you're interested in booking a hotel with me, just click on my link in the bio above, and I hope you enjoy this video. Let's check out this property.
This hotel has some pretty nice rooms for the price point. The bathrooms weren't super big at this hotel, but this room in particular came with a jacuzzi tub, so I think that's why the bathroom wasn't as big. I did like the bed. The bed was super comfortable and super nice. This room has a TV, a coffee maker, and of course a little mini fridge with some drinks that they stock for you daily. I loved the balcony at this room and at this hotel with the beautiful beachfront in front of you. And the pool view is super nice. The beach was nice. They put chairs out daily for you. I like to snorkel though, so the snorkeling wasn't super great, so that was kind of a minus for me. But the beach and pool were pretty nice overall. The food at this hotel was mid. The buffets were okay, not bad, not good, but they were okay. I'd say a B plus. The Italian restaurant was pretty good. I enjoyed my food there. For sure, the steakhouse was definitely a must. If you're going to stay at this place, I would definitely go to the steakhouse. Not the best steak I've ever had, but a pretty good steak. The showstopper restaurant at this hotel, of course, though, is the Japanese steakhouse. This place is amazing. I love the show. I love the food, the entertainment. It was definitely the best restaurant out of all of them, for sure, and I loved it a lot, and I definitely recommend eating at this place. One of the other things I loved about this hotel was the coffee bar and the gelato ice cream that you could get every day, and they also had little sandwiches you could take on the go. Super great perk at this hotel. This hotel is located on the Strip in Cancun, the main hotel strip. It's not far from shopping. You can jump in a cab real quick and hit up some shopping if that's your thing. And so if you're interested in staying at this hotel, I'd love to book it for you. I'm a travel agent. Click on my link in the bio, and we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and put a like on this video. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you for the next one.